How to select seats on Air Tahiti Nui. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can select seats on Air Tahiti Nui. So the first step is to log in into the website just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see some functions such as book, deals and packages, loyalty, entry conditions, more. So scroll down to the section where you can see online check-in, manage my booking, arrival and departures, news. Click on manage my booking. Now you must note that there are two ways to choose a seat, okay? You can either choose a seat during booking a flight, or after you book the flight, you can customize manage your trip by clicking on manage my booking. So once you click on manage my booking, you're brought to the manage my booking page. Scroll down until you can see the section where you'll be asked to enter in your booking reference and then your last name. Ensure you enter this in, and then once you've done that, you'll be taken to your flight. So on the flight page, you'll see details about your flight. All right, so here click on the seat select option. Once you select that, you will see the seat map. So use this seat map to select your preferred seat. You can choose from window, aisle, or other available seats, and then review your selection, confirm your seat choice, and note that there may be an additional fee for seat selection, and that way your seat will be successfully selected. All right. Now another way, like I said, is during the booking process. So on Air Tahiti Nui, the booking process are usually three: flights, services, and then you pay. So under services, you see the option seating. Click on that. On that page, you will see the seat map, and then you see the option for you to select the kind of seats that you want. After selecting the seat, the amounts to pay will be added to your total amount for your flight and the likes. And then while making payments for your flight, you would also make payments for your seat. So that is it. These are the ways whereby you can choose or select seats on Air Tahiti Nui. So I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.